Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. In this video, I will teach you about the Adobe Firefly Generative Fill feature. So basically in this feature, you can insert, remove anything from your prompt and you can also extend your prompt. So in this video, I will teach you how you can do that. So let's begin. Here I'm opening the website as you can see on your screen, and this is how the website looks. Here you can see all about this website. Here you can accept the cookies if you want to. Now here you can see how this website looks. Here you can see all about this website. Here for using this website, first you have to create an account here. Here you can create account by different ways. Here you can continue with Google, Facebook and Apple. Here choose any way that you find easier. So here I am choosing Google. Now in the Adobe Firefly option, you can find the feature option here. When you will click on this feature option, you can see here image. When you will click on image, you can see the option generative fill here. Now simply click on that. Now here you can see the generative fill feature has been opened. Now you can see many pictures here and you can play with that. You can choose any picture from here if you want to, and you can also upload any picture from your photos. I'm uploading the image from photo. Here I have chosen this feature. Here you can see now three options: insert, remove and expand. Insert feature is used for adding something in the picture, and remove is used for removing anything from the picture. And with the help of expand, you can expand your picture. Now for inserting, you have to select an area where you want to insert anything. Here I have selected the area. Here you can also remove any area if you want to. Here you can see that I have selected the area, and after that you just have to write the command for your prompt. The more specific you will be, the better the prompt will be. Now here if you will write a cat, then it will not be gonna be that specific. When you will write a black cat, then it will be specific. Now here let's go with the position as well. So I'm writing here a black cat looking toward the man, and after that just simply you have to click on this generate option. Here you can see that our images are generating. Here you can see that they give us three options, which is really nice. Let's see how it will turn out. So wait a bit. Now here you can see that how it turned out. Even we asked for a black cat, they have also given us half black and half white cat, and also the cat are not looking toward the man. So maybe there is some issue with that. Now if I go and if I write here a white cat this time, let's see how it will turn out for white cat. Here I'm writing a white cat looking toward the man. Again click on generate. Here you can see that our image are generating. Now again you have three options here. You can see all these three options. Now here after selecting any prompt from these three, you can simply keep them by clicking on keep option. That was all about how you can insert, add any prompt. Now if we talk about how you can remove that, now simply click on insert and here change that to remove. Now here choose any object that you want to remove from the photo. Here if you want to remove this bag from the photo, simply select the area, and after that just simply click on the option remove here. Now here you have to wait and they will give you again three options. You can select any from these three options. Now here you can see all three options. Now here you can see how these three options look. Now if we talk about, I found this third one more realistic here, so I am keeping the third one here. Simply you can also use their expand option. Now for that you have to select an area that you want to expand. You can use here YouTube size, Instagram post size, any scale and all that. Here now after selecting the size and area, just simply click on the option generate. Now here you can see that they are generating the extension image for us. Here you can see all these three options and you can ask for more by clicking on the more option here. Here if we talk about these three, I like the first one more because the first one here look more realistic as compared to the third one and the second one. Here I go with the first one. And that was all about the Adobe Firefly Generative Fill option. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.